Alexa, time.
The time is 6:08 a.m.
What's the weather like, Alexa?
Huh?
I'm not talking to you. What's the weather like?
Currently, in Orlando it's 55 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Today, you can expect lots of sun, with a high of 76 degrees and a low of 55 degrees.
We're getting up, well, we got up at 6 a.m. to go to Hollywood Studios just to try to get a boarding pass. We don't know if we can even get one for Rise of the Resistance, and if we do get one, most likely we'll have to come back tonight to actually ride it. So at this point, but let's try.
Let's just say Dane's very pessimistic.
So I've been reading that because the park opens at 7 a.m. It's 6:19 right now. We're about a 15 to 20 minute drive away. And it's probably going to take about another 20 minutes to get a parking space once we get there.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the parking time.
They're going to let people in the park in about 10 minutes. They're going to start letting people walk in and start getting boarding passes. And they're running out within 30 minutes of opening the boarding pass slot. Try to get in the last Sunday before gold passes are blocked out, so everyone that can't come tomorrow or Tuesday is here.
You see the commercials, the Rise and the Skywalker or something like that.
Group 79.
79?
It says estimated wait afternoon, but I don't know. I've looked at it at like 6 o'clock at night and they were boarding group 60. So 79. Alright, Bobby. I don't even know anymore.
I'm just going back.
Days and days and days. So when we left, they were still giving out boarding passes. We got home, it's a 15-minute drive, and they are out of boarding passes. And now they're only...
By 7:30.
Yeah, by 7:30, and they're at boarding group 21 right now. It's 2:37 now. We got our push notification at 2:30 that our boarding group was called, and then we had until 4:30 to get there and get in line. So
Yeah, 2 hours to get.
yeah, so we're heading back. It's like a 20-minute drive right now.
Okay, Danielle is a little bit like upset right now because they forgot my pass. I put my pass in my jacket and they didn't bring my jacket. So we're heading back to retrieve my pass. So we turned it back, went home, got my pass holder. If you really lost your pass holder, you can use your magic band, right?
Yeah. Which we never use because you don't want to wear it. I don't like wearing it either, but I put mine on my keychain, so I always have it. I don't have to think about it. But I keep my card pass in my wallet.
Crazy line waiting here, like outside, inside. So it's pretty clear right now.
Yeah. But
And
they made it very clear that if you buy a ticket, you're not going to get on Rise of the Resistance.
see, it's already done.
Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Email flight prep. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Picard. Take off in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you.
Can they move?
No, well, I don't know. Maybe.
I wish they
Yeah,
could move.
I see that one. This one.
Oh yeah, that one moves.
One. How many in your unit? Two.
Damn serious.
Everyone turn and face me. Turn around. Now look down at your feet. The color you are standing on will be your color code. If you survive your interrogation, you will be sent to solitary confinement. You're in first.
You chose the wrong side, and now
Definitely forced to get off early and get the boarding pass, right?
Yeah, that's definitely worth
Sour chug, yeah.
doing it.
I just think it's too short. I wish it was longer.